Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have a get ready with me video. So I am going on a brunch date with my friend, so I'm excited. And I just haven't done get ready with me for so long, so I thought I would do it. I'm going to be choosing the outfit with you guys and also just makeup and jewelry and all of that stuff together. Also, this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, which is a jewelry company that have reached out to me, and I'll share more of that in the later part of the video. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so clearly I just woke up and I actually washed my face, but I haven't done my skincare routine, so I'm gonna do that as well. First, I'm gonna use a toner. This is a Sunjung Peach 5.5 Relief Toner. I've been using this for so long. This is amazing. So I have a cotton pad. I'm just gonna do this. Just wipe away. Alright, next up I'm going to moisturize my face, and I'm going to be using Be Plain Moisturize Refresh Moisturizer. This is so good because my skin is super dry and it's acne prone, and this is just super watery. Alright, next I have sunscreen. I usually put in sunscreen right after moisturizer once it all sets in, but I ran out of my sunscreen, so I decided to try something new. This is the brand Force Shield Super Light Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I don't know if you can tell, but it's very, very green. Let's apply it. Whoa, this is very watery. Oh. Very watery. I literally look like a ghost, but ignore. So next up we're gonna go in with my foundation. This is NARS. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in shade N1.5. So just shake it. I put it on my brush directly and then just apply it. Also, I'm using my camera as a mirror. Next, I'm gonna go with this Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek. So I'm just gonna go like so. And I like that it's really creamy. Next, eyebrows, and I'm using a Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. Brush it first. Next, mascara. So I'm going to be using Heroine Make Volume and Curl Mascara Super Waterproof. This is from Japan in color black. So I have no lashes, so I curl it, mascara, and then curl it again. Okay, while we're waiting for my mascara to dry up, I'm gonna use a Tarte highlighter. I'm hitting the pan. But this is the Tarte Pro to Glow, and I've had this for years. It's probably really expired, but it works for me. So I go with the middle one first, using this brush from H&M. I'm trying to turn the camera so that you guys can see better lighting of what I'm actually doing. I feel like it's not really showing on the camera. Next up, I'm gonna use Dior lip gloss, and this is in shade 976. This is very, very glossy, so I like to use like really little bit. Done with makeup, let's go find clothes. So today I really want to wear this dress that I thrifted, but I don't know how to style it. I'm like conflicted. I really want to try wearing like a white button up underneath it and then kind of like belt it, but my white button ups are very thick, so I feel like it's gonna make me look really bulky. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a try. This is the outfit we're working with. How do we feel? I don't know how I feel about this area over here, but it's not as bulky as I thought it would be. I don't know. I'm conflicted. Should I try belting or something? I don't know. Guys, after like 40 minutes later and a few TikTok videos later, I finally came up with an outfit. I went on TikTok because I had this like scarf that I thrifted a long time ago, but I never wore it. So I was looking at different ways of styling it, and in the end this is still like a normal way of, I guess, wearing it. I don't know. But yeah, this is the outfit that I decided. Chain necklace, and then I have this button down from that I thrifted, just really oversized because I like the coverage, because I like to cover my, you know, this is too much skin for me. So and then this is the scarf top that I tucked in underneath my bra, so it's more like a tube top. And then this body chain from Shein, and then this skirt, linen skirt from H&M, so that's why it's really wrinkled, because it's linen. But yeah, I think this is the fit we're going for. It's a vibe. Okay, so moving on to jewelry, I have 3 options. This is our option number 1, and it has sparkly detail on the top layer and then just gold on the bottom layer. It's really dainty and cute. This is our second option, and this is really hard to show you guys, so I'm gonna show it to you guys how it looks. It looks like this, very dainty, a minor detail, but it's really cute and, I don't know, sophisticated. And our last option is the croissant hoop earrings. Ooh. So this is how it looks like. Ooh. I'm torn between this one and the croissant one. So let's see what the croissant one looks like. Alright, this is the croissant one. Oh my gosh, I don't know. This is both so cute. I don't know what to do. Oh my god. What goes with my fit more? Alright, I'm feeling bold today, so I'm gonna wear the croissant one. There we go, we have the hoops in. This is so cool. Love it. Alright, so that concludes my get ready with me. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video once again, and go check them out. I'll leave the code and link down below so you guys can check it out. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!